Let's make an upcycle milk carton trash truck.
Let's go!
Have an adult help you with this. First, let's remove the milk carton's spout. Let's paint this milk carton green to turn it into trash truck. Next, we'll cut the trash truck parts out of cardboard. Now it's time to paint the pieces. Make sure to let them dry. Time to stick them on. Now, cut around the back. This is where the trash goes in. Let's add the eyes. Don't forget those side pieces. It's time to make the wheels so our trash truck can roll.
Everyone, I want you to meet Trash Truck. He can lift anything, but he gets a little smelly and he hates fast. Oh, and he has 4 wheels and he can honk his horn really loud. And he's my best friend.
Thanks for crafting with our friends from Trash Truck.